Okay, so hello dosto, welcome to IWM Buzz, back once again with another interesting conversation. I have with me the lovely, dynamic and talented Amol Parash sir over here. Thank you so much for joining us. First of all, I love that smile on your face.
Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. That's very sweet.
First things first, you know, when you do good work, of course, good work attracts good work. You get good projects, you get to select. But when there's a project like this, when the pressure of the personality is so enormous. Shaheed Bhagat Singh is not just a hero of yesteryears. He's a hero today. He will be a hero in the future generation as well. When you know that there's a character like this, of course, your own sense of respect comes in as well. So how do you balance between someone who respects the person and also someone who has to play that person and do justice to that character? How do you balance the two emotions?
So it's an interesting question. I believe that in this case, of course, there was some initial apprehension and
Yes.
pressure, not about whether I should do it or not, but how should I approach this?
Ji.
But I guess
Yes.
I was always insulated by the immense surety and research material and vision that Shurit sir already had. And
Yes.
when you're able to trust that vision, ki, हाँ यार, ये मान रहे हैं मेरी बात, इनको लग रहा है कि हाँ ये सही है, तू सही बोल रहा है. So
Yes.
then
Yes.
your own self doubt kind of dispels कि अच्छा हाँ ठीक है, मतलब
Yes.
हम ठीक कर रहे हैं ना, ये ऐसे मैं करूंगा तो ये सही लग रहा है ना, सही सोच रहा हूँ ना मैं, like
Yes.
हाँ एकदम सही
Yes.
सोच रहा है, बट इसको ऐसा नहीं, थोड़ा सा और उसको थोड़ा सा, in fact pushing me
Yeah.
towards more reality and more honesty
Yeah.
than,
Yeah.
because naturally हमको लगता है कि यार मैं कुछ ऐसा कर दूं, मैं जोश लगा दूं और वो
Yes.
और रोंगटे खड़े हो जाए लोगों के, बट
Yes.
then you realize कि जब आप वो सोच के करते हो तो नहीं होता है. And
Yes.
probably this is what uh, those people also, this is how they live their lives.
Yeah. Yeah.
वो जो करते थे, वो जो सोचते थे, वो इसलिए करते या सोचते नहीं थे कि हम उनके बारे में फिल्में बनाएंगे. बहुत सारा वो
Absolutely.
तो वही करते और सोचते थे जो उनको सही लगता था, और
Yes.
इसीलिए वो थे, इसलिए वो बने जो वो बने. सो कहीं ना
Yes.
कहीं उसी एनर्जी को आई थिंक बार बार Shuri sir would keep
Yeah.
reminding me, you have to believe. You, if
Yeah.
you believe in your craft, I believe in your craft. I'm giving you
Yes.
so much material. Let's
Yeah.
now forget about
Yeah.
other people's perspectives or expectations. Let's just
Yeah.
create something honest
Yeah.
between you and me, and
Yeah.
I'm sure it'll work, and it does. And I saw the film, and
It
not
did
just my
work.
part, just the whole film as a whole.
Yes. Yes.
It is going into such uncharted territories in the most honest way possible about who those people are, कौन थे वो लोग, and not just कि उनके साथ क्या क्या हुआ, या
Yeah.
बड़ी बड़ी जो हेडलाइन, सिर्फ हेडलाइंस नहीं है उनकी लाइफ की
Yeah.
कि
Yeah.
उसने उसको गोली मारी, उसने बम फोड़ा, उसने ऐसा किया, सिर्फ वो नहीं है. इट इज द स्टोरी इज
Yeah.
more about the humanity of these people, of how
Yes.
human they were and how their ideas were so much more evolved
Yeah.
than even their acts. Like even their acts
Yeah.
looked small in front of their ideas.
Yeah.
And the kind of there's so many things that Vicky's character Sardaar Udham Singh says in the film, or Bhagat
Yes.
Singh comes in, imparts a little bit of his ideas in a couple of scenes. And you realize कि यार वो मतलब कितने evolved थे, even in their fighting for freedom, they were
Yeah.
not petty at all. मतलब वो भी
Yes.
नहीं था कि अच्छा, इट्स नॉट आई फॉर एन आई कि तुमने मेरे 10 मारे, मैं तुम्हारे 5 मारे, वो नहीं है. इट इज अबाउट the meaning of their fight, and they're very conscious of what each and everything means. अगर वो
Yeah.
अगर उधम को बदला, डवायर को मारना ही था, तो फिल्म में दिखाया गया कि 2 या 3 बार उसके पास मौका था, बट वो
Yes.
नहीं था, बिकॉज पर्पस वो नहीं था. पर्पस वाज नॉट टू जस्ट किल अ गाय. पर्पस
Yes.
वाज bigger than that, much bigger than
Yes.
that. And I think that's the kind of energy that the film had. That's the kind of
Yeah.
ideas that Shuri sir had about these people.
Yes.
And that's
Yeah.
the kind of brief or conversations that we constantly used to have. That he would keep reminding me कि यार ये, मतलब कि वो बैगेज उनको भी पता होगा ना कि है, अभी बचपन से तूने देखी होंगी फिल्म में, अभी वो भूल जा. Not that they are right or wrong, but they're
Yeah.
somebody else's
Yes.
perspective or interpretation. They're not true to
Yeah.
you. So
Yeah.
we have to stay true to you and me. and the
Yeah.
material we have at hand.
Yeah.
So I think
Yeah.
that was always a great guiding hand. And when you trust your guiding hand, it makes it easier. क्योंकि फिर आप बोल दो कि हाँ ठीक है, मतलब हाँ आप बोल रहे हो तो सही बोल रहे हो कि हाँ आपको
And when the guiding hand is Shujit sir, of course, you trust, the
हाँ, so
trust comes naturally.
it's very easy to trust.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
very easy to trust कि हाँ
Yeah.
यार. So your
Yeah.
doubt dispels. कई बार क्या होगा
Yeah.
if in any phase of life if you're not
Yeah.
able to have that trust, तो कोई सामने वाला कितना ही बोल ले कि नहीं बहुत अच्छा है, कोई चिंता मत कर, नहीं वो आपको फर्क नहीं
Yeah.
पड़ता. But it's only when you
Yeah.
trust somebody, when you look up to somebody, when you trust
Yeah.
their judgment and their instinct and
Yeah.
their skill,
Yeah.
and so you're able to say कि ठीक है मैं टेंशन नहीं लूंगा फिर
Yeah.
मैं टेंशन नहीं लूंगा, I'll trust you.
Yeah.
So I think that
Yeah.
that was made very easy by him and generally the atmosphere on set.
Yeah. What I want to know from your end is that, of course, often what happens with people playing real life characters is that, either there have been multiple portrayals of the same in the past, या कहीं ना कहीं जाके, irrespective of the efforts, that they put in, कहीं ना कहीं जाके वो caricaturish, it ends up being like that in some way or the other. But when I saw your work, with the way you were enacting with your expressions, बोलिए, या फिर, the dialogue deliveries and all, it's so important to ensure that your work symbolizes the personality you are playing and not with someone who has played the character before as well, like say Ajay Devgan sir, for example. Or there are so many documentaries that's been made internationally and also in the country. So how did you ensure that part? Ki I have to make it natural and also which I'm doing for myself, but at the same time also ensure that it doesn't look or have any resemblance with what others have done to the character in the past.
हाँ, I think वही मैं जो process का मैं बात कर रहा था पहले of
Yeah.
what Sujit sir had told me from the first
Yeah.
meeting onwards. I think that
Yeah.
was kind of like already a guiding hand in that direction because वो
Yeah.
उन्होंने वहीं जैसा मैंने कहा उन्होंने बोला कि यार वो जो तुमने फिल्में देखी हैं या जो तुमने कहीं और इस चीज का डिपिक्शन देखा है या पोर्ट्रेयल देखा है
Yeah.
वो किसी और का इंटरप्रिटेशन है उसको भूल जाते हैं बिकॉज वो तो
Yes.
फिर किसी और की फिल्म है वो किसी और की परफॉर्मेंस है तुम्हारा क्या है तुम
Yes.
अपना लेके आओ मैं अपना लेके आता हूँ हम दोनों मिलके और हमारी टीम मिलके एक चीज बनाएगी जो हमें समझ में
Yeah.
आता है और मटेरियल बहुत सारा है और मटेरियल
Yeah.
सबके पास सेम है
Yeah.
हिस्टोरिकल मटेरियल उतना ही है उतना ही पता है आपको
So true.
but when I refer to the material first and not to the interpretations first आप immediately आपका उससे कनेक्शन हो गया कि
Yes.
वो तो जो बीच का आपका किसी और के इंटरप्रिटेशन से वो उन्होंने बोला कि वो नहीं कोई देखना नहीं है उसके बारे में सोचना नहीं उसको याद करने की जरूरत नहीं वो हो गया
Yeah. Yeah.
so when you read that material and I got hold of a few books I got a lot of input and material from the team from Sujit sir तो वो पढ़ के मुझे समझ में आया कि यार ये तो बहुत these are not just Bhagat Singh in particular and many others around him were very evolved people
Yes.
And they were young boys and at that age at the age of 21 22 he was
Yeah.
hanged at 23 so probably the scenes we are
Yeah.
seeing are somewhere around 21 22 उस टाइम पे वो जिस तरह की बातें कर जाते थे मतलब बड़ों को समझ नहीं आती और लगता था
So
कि
true.
अरे ये क्या बोल रहा है यार what brilliant clarity of thought and imagination and
Yeah.
articulation and worldview and which is why they were looked up to so I think
Yes.
then when you start to imagine a person like that
Yeah.
कि यार
Yeah.
वो this is the kind of effect this person had
Yeah.
so would he be a type one kind of person who's just like
Yeah.
a leader or would he rather be maybe he could actually be another type of person who's so easygoing and friendly and approachable that he has an instant effect on people without them even realizing it
Hmm.
and you realize
Yes.
कि actually में ऐसे लोगों का ही ज्यादा effect होता है life में
Yes.
who
Yes.
do you remember from college if you was a 21-year-old boy in college you don't remember the snooty yarn giving person you remember the person who is not just smart and articulate but he's also witty he's friendly he can make you feel comfortable he can inspire you he can you know cheer you up on a bad day or he can give you a reality check
Yeah.
if you are stepping out of line very real people is what we get
Yes.
attracted to at that age
Yes. Yes.
so probably he had to be that kind of person for him
Yeah.
to have had this kind of
Yeah.
effect in history. और ये पहले कभी नहीं सोचा आपने sadly. आपको लगा कि हाँ यार उसने इतना कुछ महान चीजें की हैं, इतना ऐसी बातें करता था और ऐसी ऐसी चीजें की,
Yeah.
sacrifice दिया देश के लिए. Of course we talk about it, but
Yeah.
the idea that not just in history but even their contemporaries were so much in awe of
Yeah.
him and these people had to mean that there was definitely something more to them than just the acts of bravado.
Yes. Absolutely. When you talk about the preparation, you mentioned that you had your own set of Shujit sir was there as a guiding force. You had your own references and all that stuff to pick up. But that is before you start shooting. Once you start shooting, once you have that get up ready, of course there's a different vibe. Sometimes the emotions tend to overflow a little bit. कहीं ना कहीं कोई भी emotional scene में जाके, did you emotionally break down as an actor? While performing, when you felt that कि अरे यार ये मैंने किया, of course I have performed, I probably have done a fantastic job as an actor, but just what you did at that point of time as Bhagat
Hmm.
Singh, imagining the fact that Bhagat Singh had done that in his real life, did you have any kind of emotional checks and balances at that point of time while shooting?
So
Any scene?
it is a brief appearance. It is a brief appearance, I think, and most of the scenes were conversational. My
Yes,
scenes were conversational,
yes,
except for the hanging scene, which is more of a visual montage, and
yes,
that was definitely again a little. Um, and he's sitting there, chained up, beaten up. He's reading a book. He's writing a letter to his friends, and this is something that I also, read about when I was reading all those
yes,
books. That
yes,
he didn't stop reading till his last breath. He didn't stop spreading his ideas and thoughts till his last breath. And in spite of all the physical, mental torture and mutilation, so just to sit there, and we were shooting it in Punjab in the cold, and I was wearing
yes,
those clothes. So it was just as a moment, just sitting there in that dark room with a
yeah,
single source of light on you, and imagine, and I was physically could feel it. Although I'm not beaten up, but when you are
yes,
in that, it gives you that sense. It's almost your own body,
right,
and it's so well done.
yes,
Also, yeah, I was so amazed at this when I saw myself. I was like, "ये मुझे कैसे बना दिया इन लोगों ने?" So and you can feel it, and you're chained up, and you're
yeah,
actually chained up. Like I was chained up.
yes,
Like it's not like I could
yes,
suddenly start get up and go away कि मैं पानी पी के आता हूँ. मेरे को वहीं बैठना है. कोई आगे चाबी खोलेगा तभी मैं उठ पाऊंगा. And this I'm saying even when I am physically given all the comforts.
yes,
मेरे पास पानी है, कोई पानी पिला रहा है, कोई पंखा लगा रहा है, कोई सब कर रहा है. But you imagine you transport yourself 200 years ago in a place of physical torture and mutilation, and imagine again a 23-year-old boy who's
yes,
still at it, whose spirit doesn't break, even in those times. And
yeah,
I read some few letters that he wrote from jail, and like they still are as sharp and witty and as articulate as him before
yeah,
that. He wrote apparently he wrote, it's in the book I read. He wrote a
yeah,
letter to his dad. His dad was trying to, his father was trying to get him mercy. कुछ mercy petition डालने की बातें चल रही थी या डाल दिया था, ऐसा कुछ था. और he
yes,
wrote a letter to his dad saying क्या कर रहे हो यार, मतलब ऐसा ना कटाओगे क्या? It's almost in that kind of confidence and clarity
yeah,
कि यार
yeah,
ऐसा मत करो, ये गलत हो जाएगा. And not just, it's not about you and me, and it's not about your and I understand your मैं पितृ प्रेम समझता हूँ आपका, लेकिन
but it's for the country.
ये इट्स नॉट, हाँ मूवमेंट के लिए और बाकी लोगों के लिए गलत हो जाएगा ये. Now a
Larger
lot of
cause, right?
people look up to me, a lot of people have are inspired by
Yeah,
me, and I
yeah,
can't look like I'm backing down. So that is the kind of courage and clarity you suddenly, when you read those letter, you're like,
oh my
uh,
God,
God, people. So I think those
yeah,
are, yeah. So I'm glad that I got to do this, not just because I got to
right,
do this and got to be a part of this beautiful film, and I'm proud to be a part of this film. but
Yeah.
also I think I just got to know these guys a little more thanks to this, because I ended up reading a lot about them. And
Yeah.
मैं shoot कर रहा था, shoot के बीच में, because I was also like very eager to go back to the van and start reading, because वो एक अलग वो चल रहा था कि
Yes.
ये मतलब getting sucked into that world.
Yeah.
So this is quite amazing.
Superb stuff, and many congratulations for the success. Many congratulations for the Oscar nomination, and many congratulations in advance for all the lovely
Thank
work
you.
that you want to do in the future. All the best, and thank you so
Thank
much
you
for
so
talking
much.
to us. It's a pleasure every time. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Same here.
Thank you.
Thank you.